Hello everyone, this is Anoop and hope you all are doing great. And today we are going to be looking at this basically new technique on vision framework. And this was introduced with iOS 11, where the image is processed to detect not only the faces, but to detect face um, landmarks like nose, mouth, eyes, and stuff. And this is the demo that we're going to be creating. So we're going to be working on image for this project, and in the next project within the same series, we're going to work on the video feed. So we're going to actually do the same landmark detection in the video frame. And in this the face, just so you know, the face detection and the landmark detection um, used to happen using Viola Jones. Now with deep learning so advanced and so popular, Apple actually deviated and moved away from Viola Jones algorithm, and now they're using deep learning based algorithms to do all that. And that and the difference, if you want to compare the difference between those two, the way you can do it is you can look at core image face detection, and then use Vision Framework's face detection. And what Vision Framework does is basically it gives you this notion where it can detect faces not only small at a different distance, but from, like, from different even if you look at the background and everything, with the background and there are some circular images and everything available, it was able to detect a face even behind this guy. So it actually works really good, and this is all based on deep learning algorithms. So this is the app that we're going to be creating today. All right, so I'll see you guys in next video and we'll get started. Thank you.